Hey guys, welcome back to Subway Surfers, and today I'm playing as Lucy. I do have Spike, but I do not want to play as Spike. And I can't beat my high score, that's a fact right there. Okay, I'm just waiting for the next week, so, yeah. Okay, go through here. Got Big Shoe. My brother sucks at this game for some reason. Oh god! Lag Spike. And jump! And jump! I might have this. I probably need a hoverboard now. Because it's fucking lagging so bad. My internet's terrible. But I don't give a shite. That doesn't backfire. Or that doesn't bother me, at least. I'm gonna use a hoverboard when I get past Jordan. This guy named Jordan. Ooh. Give me that. Give me that. Ooh, a box. Thank you. If I would have missed that, I would have been pissed. I am trying to hit the jackpot too. That's my goal on Subway Surfers. Yeah, Lucy's such a beast. I just like Lucy now. She's cool. Kinda. I don't know. Oh my! How did I miss that? I'm a fucking idiot, guys. Why am I such an idiot? I honestly don't care about coins, even though I got like 14,000. That's not a lot. I'm just trying to get a high score, which is gonna take a while, but whatevs. Okay. Kaboomy, and whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. I should really get a hoverboard now, because I'm lagging like a fucking bit. Okay, wait, ooh, money. Yeah, I'm gonna call him a hoverboard. Thank you. Thank you for all my coins. I appreciate it. Okay. We're on 60,000 so far. Yeah. I'll probably die like at 200,000 because I'm fucking lagging. Oh god! Oh, luckily I had a hoverboard. Wee. Wee. Yeah, Lucy go. I don't know why I bought her, but you know, I just bought a character. When I get enough coins, I'm gonna buy Frank. Because I like Frank, he's cool. He's that clown guy. Wee. Oh god. Motherfucker. Did I earn a box? Yeah, didn't I? Yeah, okay. What's it? Oh, yeah, I really want that. Someone uploaded, okay. We are not gonna be Lucy anymore, and we're gonna be Spike. Hi, Spike. You Tanny? Nope. Oh, whoa, I almost pressed that. Okay, let's go, Spike! Oh my fucking god, Spike, really? And that was me, honestly, that was fucking me. I fucking suck at this game anyways, even though my score is 1,000,000. Jump. Okay, so far so good. And jump. And jump. Yeah, okay, Spike, well, now you get it, okay? At least you know what the hell he's doing now. Thank you for the double point thing. Double score or whatever. I don't know what the fuck those things do. They do like that times 30 up on the fifth, whatever the I don't know what the fuck I'm saying, but yeah. Yeah. Oh, why am I speaking so lowly now? What the fuck? I don't know if I was before, but fucking heck. Fucking hell, whatever the fuck. Holy shite. I don't know why I said holy shite. God. How do you go shit out of brick, Spike? That sounds fun. Pin cone. Oh, that was close. Oh my god. No, no, no. Spike, suck my fucking cock. Okay, yeah, that was a little inappropriate. Okay, we're gonna buy one box. Yeah, you teeny. Yeah, you really wanted that. One more box and that. Yeah, give me that jet. Okay. Ooh, thank you. I deserve that. Okay, let's start. You know what? I don't give a shit about coins. Let's just get already to 40,000. Oh, shit. Yeah. I'm gonna pick the magnet. Where's that magnet? Magnet! Holy shit, oh, that took me to 35,000. Yeah, give me all these coins. Oh. Well. I would have had like 3,000 by now. 300, I mean, not 3,000, that would be fucking impossible. Oh god. Spiky. That scared the living shit out of me. That was not the smart path to go. Go. Have a board. I almost died. Yay. Let's go. I'm right about to beat my own score, which is mom's, from my mom's phone. Yay. Oh, I'm gonna beat my friend Chase Baker, which was my friend on Xbox before I lost my Xbox. Because, you know, fucking stolen. Or just, I hope I find it one day. That's what I'm hoping for. Because I want to get on Destiny, GTA, all that. Good games. Because I want to play that new update on Destiny and the new update on GTA Finance, Felony, or whatever the fuck the thing's called. And thank you for the magnet. I appreciate it. And I'm past 100,000. Okay. Well, that's not so hard to do, honestly. Wee. Oh, thank you. Yeah, like I really need that, but I'll take it. It's like I'm on a jetpack right now. Yay. And then, holy shite. I did not know I still had those super boots. Or the jumpy boot, or whatever the fuck you call these things. They're really annoying. That's all I say. Is that they're really annoying. Okay, it's starting to get really fast. No! Fuck, I'm using a key. I don't give a shit about my keys anyways. Always use, it's gonna take forever to beat that fucking Raul guy. Raul. Fucking take forever because it takes like 10 minutes. Not really. It's gonna be my last go too, just to say. This might be a long one too. Oh shy, okay. Well, that's all I have for you today. But let's open this first. Let's see what it is. Okay, you can. I don't give a shit about that, honestly. Well, I'll see y'all later, and peace out.